As we delve deeper into this journey, let's explore how to transform your vision into a captivating reality. Building your tour and activity website starts with creating an engaging platform that resonates with your audience. We'll navigate through user-friendly tools and templates, crafting a website that's not just visually appealing but also functions seamlessly for potential travelers. Once your website is up and running, we'll dive into the pivotal aspect: secure payment systems. Our hassle-free reservation system ensures that travelers can effortlessly book their desired tours with just a few clicks. Engaging animations will guide them through the process, making it as easy as selecting dates, choosing packages, and completing bookings, heightening the sense of convenience and reliability. But this isn't just about tours, it's an invitation to experience the essence of travel itself. The video showcases snippets of tourists delving into new cultures, relishing local cuisines, and creating lasting memories. Testimonials and reviews flash across the screen, painting a canvas of satisfaction and trust among satisfied customers, a testament to the enriching experiences waiting to be embraced. Let's not forget the power of social connectivity. Our platform integrates seamlessly with various social media channels. Travelers can